hope you noticed my Rashid, he's going back and forth like that. And the reason why I trained him that way is because of less divots, or like the when you turn around in your zero turn and leave all those little burnouts or tire marks, you don't have to worry about it because he's going back and forth. So it's less likely that you have to worry about the tire mark. And also, I got a 60-inch mower. What's the point of turning this big old 60-inch mower around on this yard right here? Save more time just backing it back and forth, cut that time down of trying to turn it around, and you can direct where that grass is shooting. So that's another reason why training is important, so you can tell them the method to your madness and why you're doing it a certain way. Because sometimes, man, they'll shoot grass here. These are no-no zone for grass. Driveways, streets, against the house. That chute should never face these areas unless it's 2 or more lengths away from the house. You don't want it to face that way. Now, some people say that's what the mulch on the man is for. That's cool, but sometimes, man, they forget to shut that chute. So this is the reason why I'm training them this way, to protect property and protect my pocketbook. Because I'm tired of rocks flying and hitting things that shouldn't be hitting.